Have you noticed something strange happens every summer? People start asking different questions, not, what should we do this weekend? Or where should we go on vacation? But bigger questions. Questions like, what if we lived somewhere else? What if life didn't have to feel this rushed? What if we actually moved abroad? And every year, around June, those questions seem to show up more often. Maybe it's because the weather is better. Maybe it's because school is ending. Maybe it's because summer gives us a little more space to think. But something shifts. People start imagining different possibilities, a different country, a different routine, a different pace of life. For some, it's Spain. For others, it's the United Kingdom, Australia, Portugal, Italy, or somewhere they've dreamed about for years. And what's interesting is that most international moves don't begin with paperwork. They don't begin with shipping. And they definitely don't begin with packing boxes. They begin with a conversation, a simple conversation, sometimes over coffee, sometimes while scrolling through photos from a recent trip, sometimes late at night when life finally gets quiet enough to think. One person turns to the other and says, "What if we actually did it?" At first, it feels impossible. Then it feels exciting. Then it feels realistic. And eventually, it becomes a plan. The people who successfully move abroad aren't necessarily the bravest people. They're usually the people who decided to explore the possibility. One small step at a time. Researching countries, learning about visas, thinking about lifestyle, considering schools, comparing costs, and gradually turning a dream into a roadmap. Of course, every international move eventually reaches the practical stage. The questions about shipping, the questions about timelines, the questions about what comes with you and what stays behind. But those questions come later. The most important moment happens first. The moment you give yourself permission to imagine a different future. Because whether you move abroad or not, there's something powerful about asking, what kind of life do I really want? And for many people, summer is when that question finally gets answered. Maybe that's why so many international moves begin with a simple thought. Not someday, not maybe, but what if we started now? If moving abroad has been on your mind lately, now might be the perfect time to start exploring what's possible. To learn more about international moving, visit sdcinternationalshipping.com. That's sdcinternationalshipping.com. Or call us at 877-339-0267. That's 877-339-0267. SDC International Shipping. Experienced, professional. A trusted guide for your move abroad.